using our Instant Pot 2 nights in a row. I have a little coconut oil in here. I'm actually going to make a oh my gosh. I'm gonna make a vegetable curry for tonight. Some bamboo shoots, there's garlic, onion, radish, sweet potato, and carrots. Kevin has already made 2 dishes earlier in this Instant Pot. So we are gonna put in some garlic first. And then I'm gonna put in the onion. I'm gonna saute this up, put in the coconut milk and make the sauce, and then put everything in and we're gonna pressure cook it for 20 minutes. So we've had this Instant Pot for 2 days, less than 2 days now, and already made 4 dishes. Literally addicted. I think we're gonna be using this every single day. Onions and garlic are sauteing really nice now. I'm actually gonna add now the curry powder because you gotta cook off that raw curry taste. Smells so good. Next, I'm going in with the coconut milk. I'm just gonna cook this for a little bit so that everything incorporates. I'm gonna season it and then throw in all the vegetables. And we're gonna close it up and let it go. Set it and forget it. In goes the vegetables. Whoa! Oh, that's good. Who? Just gonna seal it up now, and then I am going to set it to pressure stew on the highest, and I want it to go for 20 minutes. Just make sure this little thing is on seal, so we're gonna pressure cook it. See you in 20 minutes. Curry finished product. Yum! This one I'm bringing to work to share with some of my coworkers. One of my coworkers makes the best roti, so we're gonna have this tomorrow at work. And then this is for us for dinner tomorrow. The other day, Kevin and I went to the grocery store and we picked up one of these chocolate advent calendars. So you can get these anywhere. Surprisingly, we actually found this at Metro. I didn't think that they would actually have it there, but I've seen it at like Shoppers, Winners. You can actually go to the Lindt store. So the one that we pick up is obviously Lindt, because Lindt chocolate is awesome. We've actually never done one of these before, which is kind of strange. It's sort of like a Christmas tradition that we're actually going to start this year, so I can't wait to try a chocolate every single day until Christmas. Also this year, something exciting. We're going away to the Dominican for Christmas with a group of our friends. We haven't really had a trip together this year, so it should be really nice to sort of get away from the Canadian winter. I'm actually on my way out right now, but I just wanted to pop on to sort of give this part of the vlog a little welcome. We are going to go see Alesso tonight. The very first time I saw him was actually in Vegas with my girlfriends for my bachelorette party, and it literally blew me away. I think he's one of probably my top 3 favorite DJs, so it's gonna be really good to see it with all my friends tonight. We're going with there's like a group of 15 of us, so it should be really, really fun. We're actually hosting a little pre-party get-together at our condo here. I rented out our media room so that we can have some sort of pre-party drinks and snacks and stuff like that. So let's go. do you guys feel like? You want curry cuttlefish? The Gen Fun I got diced beef and preserved veg. You want shrimp instead?
Instead, you want both?
Yeah, you want both? Like shrimp rice roll, right? And then I was like, which one you really want?
I'm just super keen.
A little shopping with the boys, and I lost my voice from last night. Having way too much fun. It was so fun last night. There was a huge group of us, but we all made it there in one piece, left in one piece. So fun. Hey guys, I'm just casually standing in the parking lot right now because the guys forgot their keys, so they just ran up for a bit. But last night was so fun. As you can tell, I completely lost my voice from all the screaming and yelling and the dancing. So much fun. I cannot get over it. This morning we woke up really late, but we did go out to grab some dim sum, and then we walked around the mall for a bit just to look at some stuff. Now we're actually gonna head up to Saga to stay over at our friend's house. Probably gonna order some takeout, stay in, and probably watch the game tonight. There's the hockey game and the basketball game all in one night. What is it?
Lemon chicken.
Oh my god.
You want fried rice?
Yeah, rice. No, he's already getting spaghetti from Jollibee.